Hello Paradise Crew. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alyssa, and we are going on a Disney cruise in 2 days. And I haven't packed yet. So I wanted to show you how I pack for a Disney cruise, for a 4-night Disney cruise with my GoPenguin luggage. So whether you're going on a Disney Christmas cruise or just a regular cruise with Disney, all of these same principles apply. So we love GoPenguin luggage because it's super light and durable. It wheels really nice through the airport, which is very important when you're traveling. And it has a really nice lock here, and it's great for TSA. It also has all these really cool compartments that I want to show you. Now, my other carry-on luggage didn't have these really cool compartments, so it makes it a little easier for organization, and you know me, I love to be organized. Like I said, we are going on a 4-night Disney cruise. It is a very maritime Christmas cruise, so we have some Christmas themed stuff. The weather might be in like the mid to low 70s, so I have some long pants, I have some scarves, and we're gonna try to fit it in this bag. Can I do it? We'll find out. I like to use this section for all of my dresses and formal wear because it's kind of out of the way and it doesn't get messed up. So I'm just gonna fold some of the stuff in here. Here are my scarves. Do a neat little roll. All right, so I like to pack a dress for each night of dinner. So that's what I'm packing right now. I have 4 dresses in here. One is a little nicer because it's kind of like a formal night, so I like to get dressed up and be fancy, but you don't have to be. That's why I like some frills and then with Disney there's also pirate night, so I like to have something that reminds me of pirate themed. I don't like to go all out and dress in a pirate costume like a lot of people do, but you totally can. But I like stripes or something real fun because then you wear a bandana and an earring and you get to look like a pirate. So this is what I'm wearing for pirate night. Bathing suits, very important for a cruise. So I have one for each day. I have 3 bikinis here and a really cute one piece. I was trying to stick with a Christmassy winter themed coloring. I'm not sure I did a great job, but we got some gold and teal and maroon here, and I always put them in a separate wet bag like so. I'm going to use 1 packing cube, and the reason I'm using a packing cube is because it's going to be easier for me to unpack when I get to the cabin. So I'm going to try to put all of my casual clothes in this 1 packing cube. Can she do it? For these Disney cruises, we like to have fun Disney shirts, and since it's Christmas themed, we did Christmas themed Disney shirts, so we'll be wearing those on the ship during the day. Don't have to get fancy, just relax and be comfortable. When rolling, I like to try to roll as tightly as possible. If you lay everything as flat as possible and then roll as tightly as possible, the chance of wrinkles are very slim. So, especially with some of this lighter fabric. So just roll real tight. I got some cute Christmas leggings from Marshall's. And then we got this cute little skirt I'm gonna tell you guys all about later. It's from Rip Skirt. They have cute designs, awesome fabric, and it just Velcros. Can't wait to show you that on Castaway Cay. Also, if you plan on watching a lot of movies on board, sometimes the theater's really cold, so you're gonna wanna wear pants anyway. Pants, and always bring a sweater or 2. All right, put that over there. What's nice about this is 1, it lets all of your stuff stay in place during travel. They're adjustable, so if you have something bigger in here, you can just do that. And then my toiletry bag fits perfectly right there. I will go ahead and close this. Find it. Just like So I really love these pockets too because they're perfect size for your socks and your underwear. You can put your cell phone chargers in them, any spare batteries, all of that stuff can fit in these tiny compartments and they are perfect. Obviously we have more things on the table, but we are not flying, and 2, I need a carry-on for my cruise day stuff. So that's all going to go into my backpack. So in there will go our wine, because they have to be in your carry-on bag. Please don't put them in your checked bag because they will take it from you. Our sunglasses, our fish extender gifts, and our magnets for our door. So now we're gonna close it up. And the hard part here this isn't the first time that I've really had a hard shell case. It doesn't squeeze as well as a soft case. However, it did fit everything really well and it doesn't bulge up. So that's good. And then when I'm all finished, I go ahead and I lock my suitcase because 1, I don't want someone to steal anything. And 2, it's really cool. So I just go ahead and I put the little handles in the holes and then I move the thing and then now nobody can get in my suitcase. I love it. So now that I've packed my main suitcase, I'm gonna pack 2 carry-on bags because, and I'm going to let you know, there's no limit to how many bags that you can bring on the ship. And we're not flying, so I can disperse all of my stuff because when you're packing for a Disney cruise, you will most likely need more things than usual. All right, so first goes my wine because naturally, that's the most important. What's nice about my backpack here is that I have one on the side for a water bottle, and then I'll put another one on the other side in my bag. And then come my fish extender gifts. So if you've ever been on a Disney cruise, there's something called fish extenders, and you sign up, usually in a Facebook group, and you are assigned cabins, and you go ahead and you either make or you buy gifts for these cabins. So I made a cute, do you want to build a snowman set? They're magnets. Yes, it took me a very long time to cut them out and put magnets on the back, but they're super cute. So I'm going to deliver these to our cabins that we were assigned when we get on the ship, but I need to put all of these in here as well. So they're just gonna go in here. All right, and then I like to be festive and pack my mini ears because you're on a Disney cruise and nobody judges you for wearing cute mini ears. So I have a cute rose gold set and my adorable Ariel inspired Little Mermaid set. I know it's Christmas, I'm gonna wear them anyway. All right, so these are a bunch of magnets that I've personally made, plus some magnets that you guys have sent us, so thank you for that. And these will go in here because once I get off of or onto the ship and we get into our stateroom, I don't want to have to wait for my main luggage to decorate my door. I also pack our C-bands just in case we need them sooner rather than later. Oh, and ginger chews. Great seasick remedy. We don't get seasick often, but they're great for upset stomachs. This year, we have stockings for our fish extender collection, I guess is what you call them. So usually you have like tote bags or just like a filing thing, but we got cute stockings. So I bought this one and we were sent these 2. So we have plenty of stockings for our fish extender gifts. And like I said, I want to hang these as soon as possible, so they're going in my carry-on. You don't want to forget your documentation, which I just almost forgot because I forgot that it was here. So we have our luggage tags, which I'll apply to the bags. We also have our port arrival form in here. And then obviously your passports, I will put them in this bag as well. And then last but not least, we have our snorkel gear and our sunscreen. And I'll actually put another swimsuit in here so we can have a change of clothes when we get on the ship. And then all of these sunglasses are going to be put away and stashed in this bag. So Cullen's been filming these, and these have nothing to do with the Disney cruise. So if you're going on a Disney cruise and you're expecting to wear magic bands, you're not going to. But we are going to Mickey's Very Merry Magical Christmas Party. I threw in so many words there, but we're just excited right after our cruise, so we have to pack these as well. And that is how I pack for a Disney cruise. If you have any questions about packing, or if you have a Disney cruise countdown, please leave it in the comment section below. We'd love to hear. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you dig the vibes, please subscribe. And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.